Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Black Forest Gateau. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a small mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place all of your wet ingredients, which are the milk, the eggs, the oil, the vanilla extract, chocolate extract, and whisk everything together until it's fully combined. It will look a little bit like a coffee colour. This is completely normal due to the extracts that we've added in. Once combined, you can then go ahead and set it aside until you need it later on. You can then go ahead and grab yourself another mixing bowl, and over that place a sieve, and this is what you'll want to place your dry ingredients through first, just to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mix, as sometimes flour, cocoa powder are prolific for having lumps in. But don't worry, you'll be able to remove them by doing this, and if you do find any lumps of cocoa powder or flour, you can either discard them or just press them through with your spatula. It doesn't really matter, as long as there's no lumps, it's all good. You can then go ahead and start to mix together all of the dry ingredients until they are roughly fully combined. Then you can go ahead and add in the wet mixture which we prepared earlier on, and add this in one steady stream. You don't need to add it, just dump it all in one go, because that's not a great idea. Add it in a steady stream and mix until you have a clear and very thick cake batter. That's what you're looking for. You can then give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on around the sides and at the bottom of the bowl. It's completely normal, as the whisk or the attachment doesn't always get everything fully incorporated. So giving it a good scraping down will just help to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Then you can go ahead and add in the boiling water. This is a little different to all of the other chocolate cake recipes, but adding water really makes this cake so much better. You'll then want to just mix until everything is fully incorporated and your cake batter is now very runny. Then you can transfer it into your cake tins, which I always weigh the batter into the tins just to ensure accuracy. But if you're confident in doing it by eye, do it by eye. While your cakes are baking in the oven, you can prepare the cream, or if you're not making the cake this day, you can prepare the cream whenever you're decorating the cake. Grab yourself a bowl and pour in all of your double cream, not forgetting to add in some icing sugar and vanilla extract, and then whisk this up over a medium high speed until the cream reaches stiff peaks, being careful not to take it too far, as otherwise it will become over whipped and have a nasty and quite granular mouthfeel. To start the assembly of the cake, you'll want to grab yourself a plate, board or stand, and then place a small amount of cream into the middle. This is going to act as a glue to hold the first layer of cake in place. So smear it on, place your first layer of cake on and press it down to secure. Then top that with a generous amount of the freshly whipped cream, and into the centre of that cream you'll want to add in the cherry jam. Again, this is Black Forest Gateau, so you do use cherry jam, but if you want to just make another sort of gateau or cake, just add in whatever jam that you like. Smear it out and then place your second layer of cake on top, and repeat the process with the second and third part of the layers of cake. You can then go ahead and start to apply the coating of cream on the outside. You don't want to work with the cream too much, as that will make it, again, you can over whip the cream even just by working with it, so the less you can move it the better. Just get a generous coat on the sides and on top, smoothing it out as best as you possibly can. This will make putting the chocolate on the sides as easy as possible later on. Once once you've got the sides of the cake smoothed out, you can then go ahead and start to apply the chocolate to the sides. So I just take a scraper and just take the chocolate and drag it up the side of the cake, not dragging the cream, otherwise that will ruin the final appearance of your cake. Do this until you've got a good coating around the sides, and then you can put it on top and just smooth it out until you've got them on top. Then of course, to finish the cake off, you'll want to pipe your rosettes on top of the cake. For this size of cake I get around 8 portions, which is more than generous, but again it's completely up to you how many you want to pipe on top. Then on top of the rosettes, to finish the cake off, you'll want to go ahead and place a cherry on top of each one, and that's quite literally the cherry on top. So here is what the cake looks like once it's been fully baked, cooled and decorated. It's a pretty standard classic style looking Black Forest Gateau, but hey, why not? You've got 3 layers of cake filled with cream and jam. Yes, I did just drop the cake, a sliced cake onto the cake. You didn't see nothing. Here is what it looked like on the inside, but that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social medias, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.